they don't actually bring with them physical money or hard money, no? Kay through digital apps na lang get for easy transaction. So, what if here in Philippines, ingana na po ang ato ang focus, which is digitalization. That's why, ang gina-provide yun, no, or gina-focus karon is for the business owners to adapt digitalization. Na ay business page, na ay mga contact information, kung unsang ilang mga gina-provide nila sa atong online. So our solution, we organize training on e-commerce, digital financial literacy, and online marketing to equip MSMEs with digital skills. And we also set up their cashless payment systems through GCash, Maya, and online banking platforms. So much for that. One of the problem also diri sa ato business owners or MSMEs, the market saturation and limited access to customers. Diba kung bantayan ninyo, daghan kaayo taog sari-sari store. So it means kung daghan sila, daghan po sila magbahin-bahin sa customers. So saturated kaayo ang ilang market, no? Some businesses struggle with low sales due to high competition or limited market reach. Many MSME rely only on local buyers and need help in expanding their customer base. So our solution, we conduct product development and marketing workshop to help our MSMEs differentiate their products or their establishment. We assist in joining trade fairs and bazaars, especially sa atong local manufacturers, no, to introduce their products to a wider audience. No, kung ato yung mga trade fairs, mga bazaars, mga local product display, ato na silang ginasuportahan, gina-endorse dito ang gina-display. We support MSMEs in branding and packaging improvements to enhance product appeal. Now, this is very important. So how can we improve the economy in Magallanes? So it is based on our professional judgment, no, sa among